Okay, we are down to our final question, and I'll just share with you some of the things I got as answers for this. So it says for two tile patterns on their resource page, Janice and Karen made the XY table shown below. Describe any similarities and differences you can see between the two tables. So I heard many students point out the fact that both of these had the same starting value, right? When for this first figure, when X was 0, there was one tile. There was one tile. A difference was that this one was growing by 2 tiles each time. So every single time X increased by 1, the number of tiles went up by 2, by 2. And for the other pattern, people pointed out that this was growing by 4 tiles, right? Plus 4. So describe any similarities and differences you can see in the two. People said things like both have the same starting value. And then people named these sometimes, or they numbered them. So that's a similarity. And differences, the first grows by 2 tiles, and the second grows by 4 tiles. The next thing we were asked to do was to, what does it say? It says, graph each tile pattern on a single set of axes. So we were provided with this XY plot. I guess I'll use red for the first one. It started at 0, 1, and it went up by 2 tiles. So the next one would be at 3, and then at 2 it went to here, and 4 it went to here, and 3 went to there, and 4 went to here. So the third one had 7, 8, 9. There we go. I don't know that these, because this is tile pattern. So sometimes it's like, do I really want to connect the line between them? Because to be honest, if I'm looking at figure 1, 2, 3, I think I don't want to graph these. I'm not gonna connect it. The other one I'll do in green. It also started at 1, 1, but then it went to 5, and then next it was at 9, and then the last one, 3, went to 13. And I don't think the one after that would fit. It'd be off somewhere up in here. Someone, I like this answer. Someone said, here, no, here you go, Chief. I don't quite get the reference, but it's like, okay, I did it, right? I graphed them, look at it, there it is. And then explain any connections you see between the graphs and the tables. Well, between the graphs and the tables. Something I saw was, I could say this. So 1 comma 0, how did, oh, I get that. I'm typing and it changed the thing. Okay. 1, 0, is where the graphs start. And I guess you can also point out between the graphs and the table. So in the table, that 0 term, oh, I got that backwards. It's 0, 1. It's not 1, 0. X is 0, Y is 1. 0, 1 is where the graph starts. And then, and I can see the growth based on how high it's going each time, right? I've got some notes of things that said, oh, someone said this. The red dots are less steep, and the green dots are, I think someone said twice as steep. Is that true? If I went up 2, 4, if I went up 6, I'd go up 12. Yeah, it's twice as steep. So that's just, I'm just sharing some things that students said. Apparently that's not how you spell chief. Is that not a thing? proofing. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I teach math. I'm sorry. I apologize. I try to get it right. So anyways, guys, that's the end of the study team test. I definitely hope you scrub through this video. Like, don't watch the whole thing, but it's there, and I hope you have a great weekend. I look forward to seeing you in class on Monday.